guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trisha and I make hair and random content videos. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I got my curls to last. So if you have ever used kinky straight extension hair, you know that it is notoriously hard to curl and to get it to keep a curl. But this hair is actually, we're going on I think like day 5, so it's actually definitely ready to be washed. But I want to show you guys how I got my curls because as you can see, it's still very wavy. I still could probably get like another 2 or 3 days out of this. And I might try. I don't know. I haven't really decided. But if you want to see how I got my hair to curl and to stay curled, then definitely keep watching.
Alright guys, so to start off this hair extension video, you're going to need some heat protectant, you're going to need a curling wand, you're going to need some jaw clips, and you're going to need some alligator clips. So basically what I'm doing is taking very small sections of my hair and wanding them with this really small barrel and then clamping them with the alligator clip so that they cool in the clamp position. What that's going to do is once it cools, it's going to set in that curl so that it lasts a whole lot longer. And the curling wand that I'm using in this video is actually the Bellamy, I think it's like the 10-in-1 maybe, but it's a 13mm wand, so it's like the smallest barrel and basically it's like the size of a pencil. And I'm just curling my hair. Some of these curls are going towards my face and then some of them are going away from my face, and the reason that I did that is because I don't want all the curls to like bunch together. I want to have some volume in my hair. So I try to make sure I did a couple towards my face, a couple away from my face, but the ones surrounding my face, I try to make sure that I did those going away from my face. So basically what you're going to see me do is just kind of rotate and curl my hair, and then each curl gets its own clip. So I have like a huge bag of these clips that I ended up using, but yeah, each curl gets its own clip. And you also want to make sure to be very, very careful with these curling wands, especially if you're not used to them, because I've been using these for years and for some reason I kept tagging myself with this one. Like I hit my neck probably 3 times doing this hairstyle, but it came out cute, so it was worth it. But yeah, I definitely burned myself quite a few times with this hairstyle. And another thing that I will mention, because it kind of freaked me out when I finished this hairstyle the first time I did it, was that the curls, because they're so tight, my hair looked so short. And you're going to see at the end of this video, it kind of looked like I had like a wavy curly bob. And I kept curling it, I kept combing it because I really wanted to get some of my length back. So if you have shorter hair, it's going to look a lot shorter by the time you finish with it. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but it's going to be shorter. Don't freak out. And honestly, if you can let it just fall, try to let it fall. I did not want those curls to be that tight, so I kept combing it out. And I feel like if I hadn't combed it, I probably would still have like very, not tight curls at this point. They'd probably be like smooth waves, but now they're kind of just like loose waves. So yeah. At the end of this, you'll see, like I said, that I definitely was just trying to get the curls out. Well, no, I don't think I showed that part in this video, but I definitely was like finger combing my hair and trying to get the curls to release some because they were a lot tighter than I wanted them to be. But I mean, by day 2, day 3, they were like perfect. And where they're at now is really good. I wish it was like a little bit tighter. So maybe yesterday's curls, I guess. But yeah, the key to this hairstyle is definitely the smaller sections. And I don't know if I said it or not, but the curling wand is on 370, I believe. And then I'm holding it on my hair for about 10 to 12 seconds. 15 if it was like a chunkier piece, but I tried to make sure I did smaller sections because when they were super chunky, it was really hard for the clip to go around them. So that was the other reason that I made them really small, is because the alligator clamps or clips would not go around the hair if it was too chunky. So I never really know what to say during voiceover. So how are you guys doing? Put it down in the comment section. Let me know how y'all are doing. Do y'all like these types of videos? Would you prefer this to have been a talk through video? Well, I tried to make this a talk through video, but it ended up being a lot of stuff going on in my house at the time. So yeah, that, and I was also listening to music because this process took so long. I kind of was not here for that part because I was supposed to have plans. Thankfully the plans ended up falling through, so I was able to just take my time with it, but it definitely was one of those things I was just like, I did not anticipate taking as long as it did. So this is where I was trying to talk through it, but yeah, it was just too much noise in my house. So what I was doing is showing you how I part the front, or curl the front of it, and I just curled it. I'm sorry, why do I keep saying part? I curled it away from my face, and this was because I wanted the curl to make sure that it fell not in my face but away from my face. And then I just took a clip and clamped it back, and then I let the rest of this cool. So what you see me doing here is just taking out the clips. I would recommend trying to do this in order of the way you put them in, just because I kind of was just pulling from everywhere, and by the time some of them fell, like I had to dig all in my head to make sure I had all the clips out. So definitely use a method and don't just choose madness like I did. But nevertheless, alright, so what you guys are going to see is the curly bob in a second here, which I wasn't loving the day of. Looking back at the footage now, I'm just like, dang, that was actually really cute, but I don't know, I just was not feeling it myself. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.